There she is. Lovely, soft, comfortable saddle. Let me tell you, if you're in a bike for a long day, oh man, those things.
I know, believe me,
Yeah.
believe me. I love the chairs, you know, to be kind to my backside.
I mean, I'm just looking at this. And I was like, this is great for going to work or something like this.
Yes.
'Cause instead of like, you'll sit comfortably. You have a nice ride. Nice
Absolutely.
high up handlebars. It's great.
And the handlebars, this is one thing, since you mentioned it,
Yeah.
are interchangeable. We can change the handlebars depending on your request. The size of, like, bigger people maybe need bigger handlebars. Smaller people need smaller ones. It doesn't matter. The size that you want, we can provide it. And it's really easy. It's not a big deal for us because everything here in this bike, as you can, from the videos that Fritz have made, you can see that everything is really like plug and play. It doesn't need an expert. It doesn't need someone with huge knowledge of biking or anything. It's just so easy.
Yeah, I mean, like, if I see this bike, I'm just thinking, instead of driving to a store, I'm taking the bike, you know, I get some nice fresh air.
Yeah.
I don't have to use too much energy because I got my pedal assist power and put my shopping on the back.
Exactly.
Saving on my fuel. Like, I'm going to be a happy camper with this.
And don't be fooled by this bike.
Yes, it is a completely electric bicycle.
Yes, they are. Can you lift the backside?
I'll
please?
lift the back and you...
Yep. Here
push
we
the
are.
power.
It is an electric bike. Here,
So-
1, 2, 3, go.
And that is using the throttle yourself. Of course, the most common way of using it, is by just using the pedal assist. So you're not really thinking about it. You're just riding your bike like you would ride any bike.
So what is pedal assist? Because I think some people are watching and they don't know what is pedal assist.
Right, so pedal assist basically means as you are pedaling, the engine turns on and it gives you a bit of an extra push.
Okay.
So it's a bit hard to show when we are standing like this, but essentially as I'm pedaling, that engine in the back turns on and it pushes you along. So it's almost like maybe normally I supply like 100 watts and then the engine is like, well, here you go, I have 250 more.
Okay, yeah, all right, understood.
And that makes everything a lot easier, you know?
Yeah.
So if you're going uphill with this, like, I mean, I think we've all done this. Like, we've ridden our bicycles, we've gone up a hill, and you're struggling, and you're like, ugh, and maybe even have to zigzag because it's so tight.
Yeah.
And with a pedal assist, you just pedal as you would, and you fly up that mountain.
Exactly. It makes you look cooler and stronger, especially if you change this big battery for the slick one. Let's do it again. Let's do it one more time for our...
I think I got a slick one here, but
yeah.
Let me... So it's very easy. Here we go. But now my light switches off. And there is our slick battery. That just slides in there. And as you can see here, it's completely hidden in the frame.
It is, of course, because of the color difference, and this is black and this is white, but when you order it, we can give you any color you want, like any color, like just imagine a color and we've got it. So, yeah.
Yeah, and the other great thing I think is like you don't have to, like the battery doesn't have to be on the bike to charge.
Okay.
In fact, it's much easier not to have it on the bike to charge. So you don't have to have your power next to your bicycle. You can keep your bike in your garage and then you take out the battery. There's a little watertight seal here. And that's you put the charger
this
in,
is awesome. You know what? I had an e-bike before that I had to bring it all the way up to my house just to charge it.
Yes. And,
oh my God.
You could even like charge it at Starbucks if you really needed to, you know.
Yeah, you can just, park the bike somewhere, take the battery, charge it somewhere else. So easy, so convenient.
So yeah, it has like all the advantages of a bicycle, but it's got that little engine on it, so it is sweet.
Yep. And this bike, don't be fooled by its shape. All right, fine, it looks cute. It is friendly for people short as me, or maybe wearing skirts. But this bike can basically do anything that mountain bike can do. It looks cute, and that's it. It's just more convenient for you to ride.
I mean, I wouldn't take it up a mountain.
You wouldn't, huh?
I would use a mountain bike.
Okay.
I mean, it could, sure, but I prefer the mountain bikes for the real work.
Okay, what is the difference between this one and that one, in your opinion?
Well, it has somewhat bigger rims. The frame is just more suitable for going up.
Okay. But yeah, well, this of course the mountain bike is sturdier. It can handle larger rims. By the way, it can get larger rims. Like this one, the maximum rims would be 28 inches, 27, 28 inches. But the mountain bike can go up to 29 inches. So that is a main difference between them. But otherwise, like the frame and how large can the rims go, they are basically maybe...
And this is our...
Same thing.
This LCD is without the colors?
Without the colors. That's our standard LCD. And this one, it shows you the power of the assist, the battery, if the lights are on or off, the time, the speed, the kilometers, the watts, the temperature outside, which you are. But
so there's more than one level of assist?
Yes, there are 5 levels of assist. So if you want just something light, you can go to level 1.
So if I pick it up and pedal it, there the engine turns on. And if I stop pedaling, the engine stops as well. That is engine on, engine off. That makes for an easy cycling experience.
Amazing. Like Fritz said, if you're facing some headwinds, if you're going up a mountain or a hill, just makes your life so much easier. If this is your job, cycling every day, sometimes your knees are tired.
Welcome to the stream, Mr. Daryl Waltner.
Canada. I love Canada. One day I'm going there.
So like this kind
Maybe I will meet.
This kind of e-bike is just great for someone like my mother. You know, she's getting on. She's past 70. She's ridden bicycles her whole life. Like that's how we get around in Holland. Like you take a bike to the store, you take a bike to work, you take a bike to your friends. But you get older, you know, and as you get older, you lose some power.
That is true.
So this would be a great way for her to compensate and still just enjoy the same quality of life and the same quality of cycling.
That is very true. This is an amazing gift to your mom, to your dad, if they are into cycling. Yeah, it would be an amazing gift. They would be like amazed. You know, I still can remember the first time my mom saw like a smartphone, like, you know, the one with the screen, the iPhone, and you know, with the big screen, and she was like, "Where are the buttons?" And she was amazed. And I think they will have the same reaction to that. So it's amazing. And I tell you what, you will not understand how cool this bike is unless you really ride it.
So the price range for our bicycles is from, like, they start out at the low end, 510, and the very high end one, and we'll definitely look at some very high end bike later.
We will. So we are going to look at the high end bike, our like monstrous fat tire bike. This one is a bit pricey, but we start from $500, and if you order today,
we get a 15% discount.
15% discount. That's a lot. That's maybe like $75 less. So you get it like for maybe $425. It's a steal with that price.
But at the high end, we get up to like $1,200, $1,300 price range.
Yeah. That's true. And it's totally customizable. So whatever you need, we have it. And the minimum order quantity, our MOQ, is 2 pieces. So, and it reaches you within a week. So, if you think this is a cool product, which it is, make your minimum order quantity, get your 2 bikes, get your 2 models, try them. They reach you within a week, and then you can make an educated decision on how much you're gonna buy, because I know once you try it, once you see the value and the quality in that bike, it's just a matter of how much I'm gonna buy.
Yeah, they are absolutely lovely. So yeah, the MOQ is between 2 and it's a minimum, 10 is the highest.
Yes.
So if you want to try like 10 different bikes to see which one is most suitable, like that's all possible.
Absolutely. You can order, like, if you want 100 pieces as MOQ also, we will not mind. But yeah, the minimum is 2 to 10. It depends, because we have a lot of models. So maybe you want one of each, so you can see all our models. Let's go get the fat bike.
Your favorite one.
Yes, my favorite.